Hi everybody, it's me again, and this time I've decided to come with a foundation review, demo, and mixing. What I decided to do was I saw that a previous YouTuber had done this, and I'm sorry but I will butcher the name if I say it, but also, which apparently was done about a year ago, Tatalia's just come out with one, and I was like, I've not got as many foundations as that girl's got, because that girl's got a lot of foundations. And if you're don't know who she is, she does a new foundation wear test every single Friday, and then she does a 15 days of foundation for Project Beauty. It's more for the Americans, the Project Beauty side of it, which is where you can give slightly used goods to them, or unopened goods, which I don't know why there isn't anything like that in the UK. You know, I've had to shop around to find somewhere to basically pass off my ones. She was the one that inspired me to do this, trying out all the ones in porcelains. Now, I did the last one where I mixed all my foundations, and with this one all I did was anything with ivory in it, because it seemed to be the one that I got the most of. I am actually super shocked and happy at the way this has turned out. I'm gonna leave it there and let you get into the video, and then I will definitely be back at the end of the day with a wear test. So everything that I'm wearing will be linked down below, because I only put in the foundation portion because I didn't want it to be a 20-minute video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this and a new spin on things. I'll see you in a minute applying my 8 ivory foundations. That's how many I had. I had 8 foundations to use, which in bag going. So I'll see you now with me with the no face. So guys, my face is all ready, and I'm going to start with the RIMMEL Lasting Finish Breathable Foundation, and this is in True Ivory. So I'm just going to put a bit there, and then I've got, this is the Wake Me Up from RIMMEL, and this is in 100 Ivory. Then I've got the Essence Camouflage 2-in-1 Makeup Concealer, and again this is in. So guys, this is 10 Ivory. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in 115 Ivory. Then I've got the Revlon YOUTHFX in 110 Ivory. So many different tones. Then I've got the Wet n Wild in Soft Ivory. I've got the Beauty Pie in Ivory. Then I've got a new, this is a new, and this is in Ivory. I'm just going to put that down my nose and on my chinny chin chin, so you can see the colour. For Ivory, it seems to be multicoloured. So I've got like the yellow, I've got a orange undertone, peach undertone, lightly peach, yellow, and I'm actually a yellow undertone, so I'm going to take my Y6 and I'm just going to start blending these in and see what we come up with. I'm trying to mix them together so that there's not just one on one side, the three on one side. I'm trying to mix them all together so that there's not just the stripes that were on my face. We'll see how much of a colour match this is. And with this, I am actually going to do a wear test and see how good it is. So at the moment, it's not full coverage. It's definitely medium coverage. There is a couple of, so I know this is full coverage, the Maybelline Fit Me is full coverage, the Revlon FX is full coverage, but I think the rest of them I've just or not, so it's like watered everything down. Guys, this isn't really that bad a match. I've got some of the shades on the palette, so I'm just gonna take what's left and just go all over just to use up the products. There wasn't a lot, it's just what I sort of overdone on my fingers. So it hasn't covered my two little friends that I've got. I don't think it's that bad. I'll come back when I've finished my face off and see how everything meshes together with it, because it's a lot of different foundations. This is why I want to do the wear test as well. I'll be back in a minute. So guys, I am back with the finished look and I think it looks really nice and everything blended extremely well, and I used quite a few cream products. They'll all be listed below so that you can look at what I used, and it's so nice, and I don't think it's oxidized. Maybe a tadging, but not enough for me to worry about. What I'm going to do is obviously come back later on today, because at the moment the time is, you're not going to believe me, it's like 7:25 in the morning and it's a cold day but the sun's out, and this is, I was awake, so I thought I'd come and do this. I just thought, why not? I'll see you guys in my next check-in. I'll see you now. I'm back, and believe it or not, the time is 5:30. This has been on a good while, and I'm just going to say that the foundation has come off my breakouts, which I sort of was expecting, but it's not gone off my chin, my forehead, my gas marks, yes, 100%, but it's still everywhere. The only downside I can say is this feels so powdery, and it's a powder that I've used before, so I don't know whether it's a combination of all the foundations that it wasn't happy with, but I like it, but not a lot, but I like it. I have been to sleep, I will admit that, so that's why my eyeshadow's down here, but the foundation is still there. It's like it hasn't transferred. I've not gone shiny, I'm not oily, which is what I normally am. Let me just move that out of the way. And I didn't actually use a setting spray to set this down. So for me, for the to 9 hour point, I'm not complaining, guys, at all. These broke down. I think I woke up and this had come off, but obviously when you're asleep you don't know what you're doing, but also they're coming to its point where they're drying. Yeah, I just feel like there's a lot going off, but technically there's not. It's just throwing everything around. I'm going to draw you in so you guys can see. So as it says, it's little spots. It's still on my face and on my forehead. It's gone into fine lines, but I've got fine lines. So yeah, I would actually do this again, but I think the combination of the different ones is what's making it feel powdery, because I've been using the Lottie Ready Set Go for a while now. This has been a really nice powder. I didn't like it when I first tried it, but for some reason I do now. But we're all entitled to change your mind. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any comments about you trying this video, even if it's just mixing what foundations you've got, even if it's just 2, and just see what you get. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.